Let this multifunctional hand truck do all your heavy lifting. The ergonomic design makes it ideal for home or work. Easily converts to a 2-wheel upright, 4-wheel cart, 4-wheel platform cart, or assisted 4-wheel hand truck. No tools, no pins, no kidding. The new folding toe plate allows for larger items to be easily transported. Its heavy-duty weight capacity of 360 kilograms to 450 kilograms means it can carry the heaviest loads. It's easily convertible, easy to use and transform to different positions. No pins or tools needed. It has 10-inch flat-free wheels, a looped handle, which provides maximum control and makes it easier than ever to maneuver. It's multifunctional, versatile for both home and office, but most of all, it's strong. Made from lightweight commercial-grade aluminum and durable steel means it's ready for even the toughest tasks. So what are you waiting for? Pick up your Cosco Shifter 4-in-1 today.